Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daydrian. Reggae Month receives multi-million-dollar sponsorship. The Ministry of Culture and Entertainment on Friday inked a deal with J. Nephew to boost and promote the month-long activities. At the signing of the partnership, Managing Director and J. Nephew Jean-Philippe Bear revealed the amount that will be invested.
90 million only for Reggae Month, right? And we are in discussion for other involvement during the year in other activities, multiple activities that the Ministry of Culture is planning to implement.
Meanwhile, Minister of Culture and Entertainment Olivia Babsy-Grange, during her address, stated that the partnership will span several years and will include other projects the ministry plans to ensue.
I'm pleased to announce a sponsorship agreement between my ministry, the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, operating through the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission, and J. Nephew in support of Reggae Month over the next 3 years. Under this agreement, we will work to expand Reggae Month, unearth and develop new talent, provide a bigger platform to showcase reggae singers and musicians, and create more opportunities for people to earn directly and indirectly from the music.
The month-long of activities kicked off yesterday with a church service at Fellowship Tabernacle under the theme Celebrating Reggae's Message of One Love, aligning with the theme for this year's staging of Reggae Month, Come Catch the Rhythm. Attendees were treated to a morning of soulful roots reggae praise led by host pastor Reverend Dr. Al Miller. International dancehall star TJ released his single ahead of his debut EP. The song, Dip, released Friday, is currently trending in the top 20 on YouTube Music and features dancehall star Tommy Lee Sparta.
Some stay up on top of my game, no stay up on top of my name, putting me in the all of fame. I'm not care who, I walk witchcraft, I will feel long blue, man, make it sweet fast.
In a press release, TJ stated that basically, bad-minded people can't stop us and we're not going to pre-violence, we're just going to dance it off. Yeah, I Am Chippy, TJ's EP features tracks like 4th of July and Fully Auto with Baker and his biggest hit, Drift, remix with Nigerian-American singer Davido. The project, co-produced by Shaggy and Sharon Burke, aims to bring dancehall music to a larger scale with the objective of creating a memorable dancehall experience. Now, Massacre, Sean Paul and TJ lead in Irama nods. The dancehall stars earned 7 nominations each. The second highest number of nods went to St. Kitts and Nevis DJ Baron Messiah, Nigeria's Burna Boy and Popcorn, who each received 5, while Dexter Dab, Spice and Valiant, along with Beanie Man, Chronicler, Coffee, Movado, Davido, 450, Pablo YG and The Angel claimed 3 respectively. The 41st International Reggae and World Music Awards, Irama, announced 150 nods in 39 categories. The ceremony is scheduled for March at Lauderhill Performing Arts Center in Fort Lauderdale. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daydrian. Thank you for watching.